What's going on, my people? Here we have a 2008 Chevy Tahoe. If you happen to have something like this, like one of the door locks, it'll work and then it won't, it'll do it randomly. Like for example, the one on the back, see, you can see it now. Is obviously all of them are working. It said it wants to work, so I got bad news for you guys. The actuator is going bad, so it's gonna have to be replaced. What's going on, my people? Today we're gonna be replacing the dog lock actuator on this the 2008 Chevy Tahoe. Should be the same anywhere from 2007 all the way up to 2014. So this is the left rear door lock actuator that won't bad on it. Sometimes it locks in, sometimes it don't, sometimes it stays halfway. So obviously the actuator is going bad, so we have to replace. You have to check if you're gonna buy a part from any specific store, because they are make different for each store. So first thing we gotta do is the door handle. We have this little cover that has to come off, and you're gonna have that 10mm bolt that needs to come off as well. So once you remove that, then you need to remove the one down here of the door handle. So any kind of screwdriver, flat screwdriver, or panel removal tool will help. You gotta get out of the way because you have another bolt. You have another 10mm bolt, so you have to remove that as well. So once you have removed that bolt, then you're gonna need something like this. So like I say, a flat head screwdriver. Stick it underneath the door panel and start priming. Here, all you guys tabs on there. You're gonna notice that some of them might break, some don't. It's okay because you can always replace them. As you can see, I already got this thing out. Gotta pull on it. That's easy, guys. So let me put this out of the way. I'll be right back. So you don't have to remove the whole thing, guys. You can just leave it hanging there. There's not gonna be any weight. If you do have, you're gonna have to remove the door latch. And remember, I was telling you about sometimes you're gonna have broken parts there. You can't help it because it's plastic and it gets old and brittle over time. So I mean, you're gonna have to deal with it though. If it is your own car, well, there won't be no issues, but if you're working for somebody else, then it might be an issue there. But anyway, having stuff like this always helps. We have to remove this part right here because we're gonna have to remove this insulation part. So it always helps having the right tools for the right job. So I'm gonna put this, guys. And looks like we're gonna have, let me see, I'll be right back. So it looks like it's a Torx 4, what fits in there. So you're gonna have to remove those 3 bolts right there. So once you have removed those bolts, guys, then you're gonna look inside here, and behind the handle, the outside door handle, you're gonna have 2 10mm bolts that you're gonna have to remove as well. That's gonna make it a whole lot easier on you. And after you have loosened it up, all you gotta do is just push on the door handle towards the left to get it out there. So once you have pushed the handle out of the way, then it's gonna make it a lot easier. All you have to do is just disconnect this, or you can get the whole thing out. Once you got the handle out, then you gotta come back around, and over here where the lock goes, you gotta put the whole thing in like that. And once you have put the lock back in, the metal piece, then just gonna reach inside and pull it out. And this is it, guys. This is the door lock actuator. What we have in here is just a connector and this is for the door handle to open up. So let's go ahead and swap this out, guys. So as you can see, I got the two parts right here, the new one to the right, the old one is still hooked up. This right here is some kind of lock. All you gotta do is just get a flathead screwdriver and push it back, prime it back towards you, and should be an easy fix, guys. I don't think it's a big deal to have these parts swapped out. So almost, the connector has been swapped out. This cable right here for the handle from the inside has been swapped out as well. Now the only thing that we need to swap out as well is gonna be this little piece right here. It is very important to count how many threads you still got exposed. Before I remove it from the old part, I counted, so I had 4 threads. So that's the same way I'm going to leave this one right here. So once you have swapped everything out, it's time to put this thing back in place and reconnect all these wires for the door handles. So after you have everything swapped out, it's time to put it back in there, guys. Just the way you took it out, that's the way it's gonna go back in. You're gonna have to put them 10mm bolt behind the handle, the bolts over here on the door latch, and everything else, guys. So that's it, guys. Like I said, that once you put everything back together, use the way you took it out, shouldn't be any issue at all. As you can see right now, it's working, locking, unlocking. So thank you for watching, guys.